In front of me is REALME C63 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one you wish to connect to. Click on this switcher to allow access to contacts and call history. And when you finished, select Pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, click on this icon right next to connected device and hit Forget under device name. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!